Here's a nice algebra problem involving sigma notation. Can you find the value of x in this equation? Take a look. We are given the equation sigma notation k equals 0 to 2, x to the power of k equals 13. Now, if sigma notation looks confusing, don't worry. It's actually very simple once we expand it. The symbol sigma, the Greek letter sigma, simply means sum. So what we are doing here is adding several terms together. The index k starts at 0 and goes up to 2. So we substitute the values of k from 0 all the way to 2. And we will get x to the power of 0 plus x to the power of 1, and then the last thing we'll sub in 2, we'll get x to the power of 2. And all of that equals 13. Now, anything to the power of 0 equals 1. So x to the power of 0 here will equal 1, plus, and x to the 1, we could just write x plus x squared equals 13. So the entire summation becomes 1 plus x squared. Next, we move everything to one side. So we subtract 13 from both sides and rearrange this in the degree order. So we'll have x squared plus x plus 1 minus 13 equals 0. And we will simplify this and we'll get x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation by factoring. We need two numbers whose product is negative 12 and whose sum is plus 1. Those numbers are 4 and negative 3. So in brackets we'll have x plus 4, x minus 3, and that will equal 0. Now we use the zero product rule. If the product of two expressions is 0, then one of them must be 0. So we set each factor equals to 0, and we have x plus 4 equals 0, and that will give us x equals negative 4. And we have x minus 3 equals 0, and that will give us x equals 3. So my final answers are x equals negative 4 and x equals positive 3. And that is how we solve sigma notation equations. If you enjoy learning math step by step, subscribe to Sami's A+ for more math lessons and challenges.